Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Rafael. In today's video, we're gonna go take out the Explorer and take it out for a spin, and so you guys can see how this bad boy drives. That's today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like the video, please feel free to give it a like. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it, guys. So yeah guys, this is the 1994 Ford Explorer. It is a two-door vehicle. It's the Sport Edition. This has the V6 4.0 liter engine. It's got the 5-speed manual. This is not the 4x4. It's a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive vehicle. So in today's video, we're just gonna go for a drive so you guys can see what it's like to drive a Explorer. The seats are very comfortable. This truck has the bucket seats, cloth bucket seats, so they're very comfortable. It's got a great driving position, great view all around. So it's just very comfortable. And the shifting is very nice. Clutch feels great. It's not too soft, not too hard, just right. It's a great truck. I enjoy driving this vehicle. One of the reasons why I bought this vehicle, the Explorer Sport Edition, is mostly because my father had one years ago. He owned one very similar to this. His was black. His as well was a 5-speed. His was a 5-speed, and I believe that was one of the vehicles, very first vehicles that I first started driving 5-speed manual transmission in. So this is one of the reasons why I got this one, just because it's 5-speed. I'll be honest, if this would have been automatic, more than likely I would have not gotten it. So most of my vehicles have been manual transmissions. I just enjoy the vehicles more. They're fun to drive, keeps you busy, keeps you focused on the road, you know, changing gears. It's just fun, in my opinion. The truck really gets up and goes. It's got just enough power to stick with traffic. It is not a high horsepower vehicle, but it's got just enough power to have fun in and drive around. So it's just a blast to drive, very comfortable. You would really understand once you get the chance to drive one of these bad boys.